Orcas are mammals of the dolphin family of the toothed whales. The Orca genus consists of only one species. The animals have a black and white coloration, due to which these species cannot be mistaken for other representatives of the cetacean family. Orca lives in almost all oceans from the Arctic to the Antarctic. In the waters of the Atlantic Ocean, orcas can be found everywhere from Spitsbergen to the Antarctic. They often swim in the Mediterranean Sea. In the waters of the Indian Ocean, killer whales live as far away as Australia. In the summer, they swim even beyond the Arctic Circle in the Antarctic waters. In the Arctic, seas are distributed intermittently. Orcas live in flocks. One flock may consist of 3 to 100 individuals. Large groups most often consist of several families connected by distant kinship ties. Each family consists of a female and her cubs of different ages and already adult sons. These families have very warm relationships. Young and healthy individuals always take care of the sick and old members of their families. The family communicates with each other with different sounds common to all orcas or only to their family. If there is any disagreement between family members, they express their displeasure by slapping their tails on the water. They also hunt together. Orcas eat various mammals and fish. The flock may break into several parts during the search for prey or other actions when it is necessary to divide a large group of animals into several smaller ones. But the opposite also happens, when orcas from different packs are united into one group. This happens during the breeding season when females need to find a mating partner. Orcas are great swimmers. They often swim into the bays, where they stay close to shore. Like dolphins, these marine mammals love to play and are very agile and dexterous. Among the whalers, orcas are considered ruthless and bloodthirsty predators, about which there are many terrible rumors, but, under normal conditions, orcas are not a threat to humans. Throughout history, there have been only a few known cases of attacks on humans by killer whales, and this mostly happened in captivity rather than in their natural habitat. In natural conditions, killer whales have no natural enemies, because even sharks are afraid to mess with them. If sometimes there are attacks of large sharks on young or weakened killer whales, even in this case, predatory fish have very little chance to win. And, given that in the sea, there are no aggressors larger than the white shark or the killer whale itself, then these cetaceans do not have to fear other predators. Therefore, we can conclude that only man can be a threat to orcas, and not so much the man himself, as his activities aimed at the extraction of minerals in the world ocean, as well as fishing and hunting of cephalopod mollusks, which takes place in several countries. In the latter case, black and white marine predators suffer because their main food supply is damaged.